Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Increase Productivity. Today again we come up with the exciting text effect, and that is suppressed text effect. Interested? So let's get into the video. First of all, we are going to search for the Instagram post blank page. And after selecting it, we are going to go and select the text box. Now, after selecting the text box, we are going to write some text on it. First of all, I am going to write join. Then, I am going to duplicate it and write R. And at last, I am going to write clan. So with the help of this, we are also requesting you to please join our clan. So please do subscribe our channel. You can also join us in the Telegram. The link is in the description below. Now I am just going to replace the text with the desirable font. I think Archivo Black is good enough. So I am going to change all the text in it. So now I have changed all the text. Now what I am going to do is I am going to resize the size of the text. I am going to increase the size of join and clan a little bit. Okay, I am resizing it and just adjusting it a little bit. Okay, now I am going to increase the size of the clan. Okay, it's pretty much done. Now we are going to go to the effects section and going to change little bit of thing. Like we are just changing the offset, the blur and the direction parts in it, so that we are capable of achieving that suppressed effect. Okay, now I am going to do same for the clan text. Okay, the process is going on. I think this much is enough. Okay, afterwards what we are going to do is we are going to just select that R and going to push it to the backward. Okay, just adjusting a little bit of the text. Okay, now I'm going to change the color of the background. Okay, little bit of adjustment in the shades. Okay, I think this looks good. Okay, now I'm just going to change the color of that R part. Okay, I think white looks good. Okay, now again adjusting the text. Now I'm going to nudge it a little bit so that it can create that suppressed text effect, in more realistic way. Okay, I think I have to do some more setting, so I'm just doing it in fast forward. Okay, a little bit more nudging. And I think this looks pretty much good. Okay, I think clans should be a little bit more big. Okay. Now afterwards, a little bit more nudging, zooming it out to see whether it is fitted or not properly. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to do some grouping so that moving the text becomes easy. Okay, first of all I'm going to group the join and clan with each other. And at last R to join and clan. Okay, grouping is done. Now we are going to go into the element section and search for the frames. Okay, which frame? Yeah, I think this will look good. Okay, after selecting it and adjusting it, I'm going to search for a logo and going to shift it in that frame. Okay, it looks pretty much good. Now I'm going to search for this element from my history and going to adjust it as a border. Okay, now duplicating it and adjusting it in the similar way in the upper place. Okay, shifting is done. Now changing the color of it. White. White is looking good, but not that much. Okay, I think this color looks more good and suitable. Now adjusting it a little bit more. Okay, we are almost there. Now a little bit more adjusting with the text and with the logo, so that it will look more good and attractive. Okay. Let's go to the right. Nudging it. Okay. So we are done. So our final post is going to be look like this. If you like our post, then please subscribe our channel so that you get notified every time whenever we upload such kind of video. So we will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your lovely selves.